How to share Unity project with someone in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to share a Unity project with someone. The official and cleanest way is through Unity version control, or formerly Plastic SCM, via Unity DevOps. Just open Unity Hub, connect your project to your DevOps organization, invite up to 2 teammates for free, and you'll all be able to sync changes directly inside the editor. Unity Hub even lets you manage editor versions and link to your repo right there. If you're working alone or prefer something simpler, GitHub via GitLFS is also popular. Store your project folder, ignore the library folder, and share the repo link with teammates. They clone it and open it through Unity Hub. For real-time scene collaboration, a tool like Scene Fusion can help, though it may require paid plugins.